Hello and welcome back. Sorry, I'm gonna start over because I don't know if you heard that first bit. Hello and welcome back. Sorry, I was doing a video and I broke something. There's a thing where if I have the recorder set up and I click, I've got my inventory unlocked, and then I go to rewatch the video, then it kills everything, and I'm stuck here and I can't get out of my sorry, my inventory. But yeah, so that happened. And I was just telling you guys we're going to do some mining. Got down from the cliff. Yeah, you might not have wanted to watch that because I almost died. I almost fell off the cliff and I was like, no! Don't kill me! It would have been a sad thing. Okay, I'm going to put the time set today. There we go. Okay, and let's get this party started. Now, we need to find a place that's not our, the one that we were just in. One of the mine shafts. I wonder if we'll be able to find one. Cause I mean, we totally found so many the other day when we were exploring, but now I just want to mine and I can't find them. It's like, gee, thanks for letting me mine in, you guys. Just appearing out of the blue and then disappearing. What do you think they're thinking? No chick. Sorry, chicken. That's probably laid by you. Ooh, let's collect up some coal. What do they say? The more coal, the merrier. I don't think that anybody actually says that. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys. I really hope you saw that baby foal video. It was just heartbreaking to me. Like, it's like an animal. Like, let's say a polar bear just walks up to you, and a mother who had just given birth to her baby, and then picks the baby up, ties ropes around him, takes out a whip, starts making him run in circles, and then it takes him away where he can't drink any milk, and then says, okay, now I'm doing some good horse training. This is good horse training. And you get posted up online. I really wanted to spread the word about that baby foal, how mean it is. So, yeah, and sorry that I didn't do a video like this on this, but I figured it didn't take too long to record because it was only like 5 minutes long. And that video, it didn't get deleted. It's just I wanted to tell you guys about that in case you see this, but you don't see that. Okay, well, nothing in this cave. I hate when it does that. It's like, let me out. Come on, no black roofs. If you were at the Rupert Fair, so tell me. And it was so amazing. It was just, I love the Rupert Fair without fail since I've moved here. I've been to the Rupert Fair. Okay, the more coal, the merrier. I wonder how much we're gonna have in the end. Oh my goodness, we've already got 2.5 stacks. Ooh, and there's way more. That is the sound of exhaust. Puppies, no push your mama. I will give them treats, but I'll just have to do like give them all treats in separate rooms. Because if I put them together, well, actually, you guys have been good puppies. I'm gonna give you some treats here because I'll just be running around doing a bit of mining. So, yeah. So, oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna die. No, puppies, don't go in there. You'll die for good. Come on, Kaya. Come on, Kaya. Make it. Make it. Come on. You can do it. No, puppies, get away from the lava. Bad. Oh, I survived. Well, today's an adventure. Sit part. No. No. Lily, sit. Sit, Lily. Stay, Lily. I can't believe my dogs are in so much risk right here. Like, Lily, I think I'm just gonna carefully. Oh my goodness, her poor little tail must be like so close to being on fire. Poor girl. Oh, don't spread to my Lily. Oh, my Lily, my poor puppies. My puppies are at risk. And I don't like it when my puppies are at risk. Bad puppies. No, no, I'm sorry. Not like that. Not you good puppies. You good, brave puppies. Oh my. Maybe Siri should. Oh, I'm not Siri. Sorry. Maybe maybe Ella should get a bit braver. Yeah, well, honestly, I think I have a reason to be a little bit startled. You know, a bit of lava. Okay, I am in so much risk. You know, I don't think that this is what I had planned when I decided, oh, maybe log on, have a little chill time, go home. Yeah, have a nice day burning in lava. That's totally what I thought. It'll be relaxing. No. Oh, my name isn't Siri. Come on. Ella. Oh, no, no, no. My poor Lily might only. No, where's my poor Lily? Lily? T? T? Lily tried to swim in lava! I'm so heartbroken. My poor puppy. Oh. I hate you. I hate you, lava. I'm never gonna say hi to you ever again. You know what? Lily was a good girl. She deserves to be brought back. No! I can't die too! The tragic story of how Kai died. First her puppy, then her herself. The tragic story of how Ella died. So I keep on referring to myself as other YouTubers. If you haven't seen the other person's channel. Yeah. But I don't know why. Oh, it's tragic. I need to bring her back, okay? You know what? I'm bringing her back, because usually your puppy wouldn't die like that. They would get a bit of burnt, and they wouldn't just be like, rawr, 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 so helpless. Oh, and the worst part is there was water right over here. My poor Lily. I deserve bones, and I deserve name tags, and I deserve everything to bring my Lily back. You know what? I'm doing that. We're trapped in a hole. We've got basically nothing to survive down here. And honestly, I'm a bit puzzled of how we're gonna get out without my puppies dying. Not that none of them haven't already. My poor Lily. My poor Lily and my poor Lily. My poor Lily died. My poor Lily. No, my Lily would want me to get my coal. Meet me before darkness, before dead. Not cool. I got some more coal. Sorry, I've been silent just because I was thinking about my friend who's being very nice. Tim, you're writing in the comments below. I wonder what I killed. If any of you guys saw that, like, please tell me. I'll probably rewatch this video just to see. Well, when it's posted on YouTube, that is, because I really don't want this to die. That would be so tragic. Like, if this doesn't load, it would be like you guys just come on. Where's Lily? Where's Lily? Write in the comments below. I'm like, she died in our other video. No! No, my puppy just died. No! No, Farley died. You can't see, but he died. How? How? Tragic stories! No, I just saw the comment go by. Why are all my puppies dying in this video? My poor puppies. They didn't even mean it. Phew, I still have a wooden axe. My God. Oh, but for a moment, I go away from the sad truth. My poor puppies died. My 2 puppies. I'll need to bring them both back. We're gonna have to wrap up soon. I think that, you know what? I'm gonna wrap up this video by bringing my Lily and my other doggy back. Sorry, I'm forgetting their names. Shortage of brain names. Okay, T/game mode creative. Hi, puppies. Oh, and I got you. No, my other puppy didn't die. That was like the worst joke on the history of planet Earth. Yeah, my puppy just died. Ha ha. You guys are probably like, what? Ella, what the? Ella, some of you guys know me as Dark Horse. Okay, Lily. I think that it was Lily who tried to die. Well, she didn't try. No, she didn't try to die. Who died? No, my poor Lily and Tate. Ah, there's no Tate here. Okay, perfect. 1 second. Leon, I'm recording. Oh, yes. Are you planning on making lunch? Okay, yeah, protein shake would be amazing, thanks. Yes, please. Yes, please. Okay. Hey, I'm back, and I'm gonna try to get as much of this done on camera, but it might just end with me doing the last little bits, and next video will be opening up with me you guys just looking into Lily's eyes and being like, Lily, you're home! Think of it as Lily going on a little vacation to heaven. Oh my goodness, when she comes back, I almost feel like asking her what that place was like. Good, my Lily. Lily, I got it done. And I'll see you guys next time.